Hello everyone, welcome to maths lecture. So today we are going to start the revision lecture of lesson number 10, measuring time. Now in this lesson we have learned about the clock, okay, the different hands of clock, okay. So these things you have already studied in standard 4th also, okay. So today I am going to take the revision of the new concepts which we have learnt in this chapter, okay. So the first concept is antemeridiem and postmeridiem, okay. Antemeridiem AM and postmeridiem, that is PM. So what is this antemeridiem and postmeridiem time? Okay, I have taught this to you, okay. So antemeridiem is the time before 12 noon. Antemeridiem is the time before 12 noon and postmeridiem is the time after 12 noon, okay. Antemeridiem, that is AM, means the time before 12 noon, and postmeridiem, that is PM, is the time after 12 noon, okay. Understood? So usually we write time using this AM and PM, okay. So when we use AM and when we use PM, I have already told you that antemeridiem time is before 12 noon, okay. Now suppose 8:45 in the morning, okay, the time is 8:45 in the morning. So here morning means it is a time before 12 noon, okay. The 8:45 is the time before 12 noon, okay. In the morning means before 12 noon. So you will write 8:45 AM, okay. Suppose there is 8:45 in the evening. So now this 8:45 in the evening becomes the time after 12 noon, okay. So now we have to write 8:45 PM, okay. So AM antemeridiem, the time before 12 noon, postmeridiem PM, time after 12 noon. So I hope you might have understood the difference between AM and PM, that is antemeridiem and postmeridiem time, okay. Now we will see the 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. See, I have drawn both the pictures of 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. So now see, 12 hours clock shows you the time starting from 12 at midnight till the 12 noon, okay. Understood? So 12 hours clock shows you the time starting from 12 at midnight till 12 noon, okay, 12 in the afternoon. Understood? So you know that this 12 at the midnight means 0 minutes, okay. Then here 1 shows 5 minutes, 2 shows 10 minutes. Like this, there is a difference of 5 minutes in each of the hand, okay, each of the minute, okay. So now this is a 12 hours clock which shows you the time from 12 at midnight till 12 noon, okay. Now 24 hours clock shows you the time after 12 noon, okay. It shows you the time after 12 noon, okay. It is a, see, you can see there are I have written the numbers after 12 noon. So see, 12 hours clock shows you the completion of 12 hours, and 24 hours clock shows you the time after 12 hours. Okay, see, after 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 hours. That is why it is called as 24 hours clock. Okay, so 12 hours clock shows you the time between, time starting from 12 at midnight till 12 noon, 12 in the afternoon. Whereas 24 hours clock shows you the time after 12 noon. Okay, so suppose, now let's take the time 9:45 in the morning. 9:45 in the morning means this 9:45 is the time before 12 noon. Okay, this time 9:45 is the time between 12 at midnight and 12 noon. Okay, 9:45 in the morning means this time is after 12 at midnight but before 12 noon. So here, how we will write it in 12 hours clock? Like this, 9:45 AM. Okay, but while writing in 24 hours clock, how we will write it? That's it. We will write this time like this. Okay, 09:45 means according to 24 hours, the time is 9:45. Okay, now suppose there is the time 2:30. So now the time 2:30 in the afternoon. Let's take afternoon. Okay, 2:30 in the afternoon. Now 2:30 in the afternoon is the time after 12 noon. Okay, means this is a time after 12 hours are completed. Okay, understood? Our day starts at midnight at 12 o'clock and ends on 12 at noon. Okay, so this 2:30 in the afternoon is the time after 12 noon. Okay, so now while writing it in 12 hours clock, how do we write it? 2:30 PM. This is a post meridiem time. Okay, why? Because it is the time after 12 noon. That is why 2:30 PM. But writing it in 24 hours clock, how we will write it? See, in 24 hours clock, after, see here, in 12 hours clock, 2:30 means our shorthand should be on 2 o'clock and longhand should be on 30. So 2:30 in the afternoon, like this. Okay, 2:30 PM. But while writing in 24 hours clock, this 2:30, see, 2 after 12 noon, there are 2 hours. Okay, 2:30 means after 12 noon, 2 hours 30 minutes. So here 2:30 is the time after 12 noon, means after 12 hours are over, this 24 hours clock shows you the time after completion of 12 hours. The time after 12 hours. So after completion of 12 hours, 13, 14. So according to 12 hours for 24 hours clock, 2:30 means 14 hours and then 30 minutes. So while writing in 24 hours clock, the 2:30 PM will be 14:30, like this. Understood? So in this way you have to write the time according to 24 hours clock. Okay. Now let's move to the question. The time below is given by the 12-hour clock. Write the same by 24 hours clock. Okay. So here they have given you the time according to the 12 hours clock. Okay. You have to write that time according to 24 hours clock. So 45 minutes past 8 in the morning. 45 minutes past 8 means what? 8:45. Okay, 8:45 in the morning. In the morning means it is a time before 12 noon. Okay, it is a time before 12 noon. So it is a antemeridium, AM. So according to 12 hours clock, the time is 8:45 AM. But according to 24 hours clock, how we should write it? 08:45, like this. 08:45. Understood? Then next, 50 minutes past 7 in the morning. 50 minutes past 7 in the morning. Sorry, in the evening. Now, 50 minutes past 7 means 7:50. Okay? 50 minutes are completed after 7. Okay? In the evening. In the evening means this 7:50 is the time after 12 noon. So it is a post meridian time. Okay? So while writing in 12 hours clock, how do we write it? 7:50. That is 7:50 PM. Okay? But while writing according to 24 hours clock. Now, see, after 12 hours, we have to count 7 hours. Okay, 7 hours. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means 19:50 in this way. So, according to 24 hours clock, the timing is 50 minutes past in the evening means 19:50. Okay. Then next, 30 minutes past the afternoon. Past in the afternoon. Oh, sorry. Here it is. Let's take 1. 30 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Now 30 minutes past in the afternoon means 1:30 in the afternoon. So it is a time after 12 noon. Okay, so it is a post meridian time, PM. So while writing in 12 hours clock, we write like this, 1:30 PM. Okay, but while writing in 24 hours clock, how do we write it? See, this 30 minutes and 1 hour. Okay, so after 12 hours, 1 hour. That is 13:30. Okay. Next, 25 minutes past in the afternoon. 25 minutes past in the afternoon. That is 12:25 in the afternoon. So it is a time after 12 noon. So PM, post meridian time. According to 24 hours clock, see, how do we write it? After 12 hours, there are 25 minutes. So 12:25. That's it. 12:25. Okay. Now the last, 25 minutes past after midnight. 25 minutes past after midnight. See, our day starts at midnight, at 12 o'clock. Okay, so at 12 o'clock, means 00 minutes. 12 o'clock means 00 minutes. Okay. So 00 12:25 according to 12 hours clock. So the time is 12:25 a.m. Okay. See, our day starts at 12 o'clock at midnight. Okay. So this is a time before 12 noon. 12 o'clock at midnight is the time before 12 noon. Okay. So it is a antemeridian time, that is AM. Okay. So while writing in 12 hours clock, we write in this way, 12:25 AM. Okay. But while writing in 24 hours clock, 12 o'clock at midnight means how many minutes? 00 minutes. So 00:25, like this. We have to write in this way. Okay. Understood? So I hope you might have understood what we have revised today. Okay. In the next lecture, we will be continuing the revision of addition and subtraction of the time. Okay. So till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.